Next, we have a vocal solo titled In This Life, performed by Vaan.
So much better than me.